ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesere like, comment, subscribing, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature you upload out some bekabi. Ebusian for enyom bi o makuma so ampese metu. Na anytime metu nyom we biana, me need to me jikeke. Munem nyom no. Oh dia sempa nabo. Asempa nabo. 24-hour economy. Aji. Oh dia sempa abo. Sempa abo. Asempa abo. 24-hour economy. Upe kura bet me atu no Pentecost star. Obiambo we. Oh dia sempa nabo. Oh dia sempa nabo. Oh dia sempa nabo. 24-hour economy. Na ebusian for na be ko 24-hour economy ni mo ne pese me catch them say. Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies na san be kasa. Almost see. Ya share ya. For na be ko 17 series.
Yemma on say for the sake of diplomacy. Say BBC bi ne say Ayɛka bi. One say enche bia there was an issue okujo to ablakwa minister edit statement by ya konfo kra so mu say eka ho ene ma US e say ana visa application ene visa say we no
1 liter because 17 series. Hey, me see. Enye say ayamide o. But nkre say ayamide. Ayamido. Abamenya. Yamido. Me see. Yanyina na ebe brebo mu. Ani. We all go suffer. Media suffering we nkwan dem mepe. This suffering we what that we are going through. We nkwan dem mepe. The way na my kono. Yenyi na uye MPP, new year NDC, new year CPP, new year neutral o. Yenyi na ebe brebrum. Se fu no bo kosro. Na driver phone no se omo ti ase. Omo ti ase enti on so tu sala omo tu transport fare nemo. Omo tu mo na market women no se dey bi se transport fare no abe ni bo abaye di enti omo so omo tu the price of goods and services mo. Omo so tu mu wi a na ne na mba hu say sana Akufo-Addo ne Dr. Mamudu Bawumia omo bo modin papa mbo modin hwe pa say omo timi navigate through COVID-19 ebe navigate through Russia Ukraine call IMF recover to the extent say IMF crabeka say hey I didn't Ghana for mu magic biana. We were not expecting you to recover this quickly. That is what IMF said. That is what IMF said. But beyond all this, now we Ghanaians were not grateful to Akufo-Addo. International price of fuel cost 23 Ghana cedis. Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Mamudu Bawumia omu ye ni omu tumi aye bia amanaba form before they left power. And yes sir, but Ghanaians never saw those efforts. Almost see Miracle Worker bi wo hwa e friend John Dramani Mahama. Na some Miracle Worker there ono na what me using magic 1 2 bi changing near prices. And to say Miracle Worker na ba no sign na full born eco 17 cities Miracle Worker. You are the miracle working Mahama. And the miracle working Mahama. Yes, if full price na eco 17 cities o. Papa. Yeah baby o. Ayo, ebusan for let's go and listen to a proof say conversation is accurate and you mean make but before then ebusan for we are setting up a studio. Oh ha. Total cost 25,000 Ghana cedis. What do you call dollars more $2,300 US. Yen kwa yen timinye. Na ya hold this swakra. Ti mumboaye. Kitwa bien swa. The number no ewo downstairs. Ewo screen Asieha. Kindly help us. Now let's go and listen to the conversation. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Ghana. Any Ghana for Aminu Minu and I or number chiho eto aboba park and so count. Enti saa krata no ne ensemo no Ghana for de. Enti na me say Donald Trump e beti saa asemo no. Say Ghana for ka kire ne say ntokwa na ekọ no. Wonjai na emfa papa ye ma emma mewiase Donald Trump. Any Netanyahu of Israel.
Omunti.
Ye Ghana statement to come on.
Omunti.
Hwe yemma on the for the sake of diplomacy. Say BBC bi ne say Ayɛka bi. One to say enche bia there was an issue Okudekto Ablakwa minister edit statement by ya konfo kra so mu say eka ho ene ma US e say ana visa application ene visa say we no yen grant mo yen say limitations by one thing ho asem we say wa asem bi kan ene u bibia ensem na Guta for the atom ampanyin anim no statement no mo de aba abonte a Guta president Clement Boateng say nia ekosisi ye no aban hwe say obetoto ne niam yi no eno mo no na e bibia bete Donald Trump kwabe so osi ni gina ye na adwun so okokontokwa na NATO we UN United Nations kra na yeko kese ne nsema onim ta we on for mo nya on fi o mo what is say yes Ghana issue the statement calling for say you pese e ba files so say asem we see here no as a state also the paper be by to abonten there but not that you come na kwa bibia o enkosi hwi o da bi o enema na wo say ye maimu de ye wo bibi pa bi a wo say ye toto say o mampanyini ene aban mu mpanimfo be kom trapa ho we no ye be ne den we ye ne say no ene ho no ne say ye ka kire wo no de ensesa hwi o eno ye za na ye za agro as a auto boabo so that yankwete I say Ghana the state that calling on Donald Trump ne imo say omo UN e dey no mo dey aye yen toto ye ne ma ye wo fie na ye moa ye fuel no bo omo to fuel de ba akese mu no companies marketing companies no e boy man say bibia ansesa wo ne ekoso no a enche from 16th of this month one here a liter of fuel e beto no 17 Ghana cedis a projection on my in the coming days and then data say 10th of March me boana in the next acha na watch
by 17th
and acha na watch say bibi ntokwa na omo kuna ansesa ye bet we fuel wa no project say ebetimi akudru 17 per liter 17 Ghana cedis.
Yeah. Ebi crash as here ko o check it.
It say you call it one day.
Some of the omo audio no ko but they are okay and ama say binum so they abetu bia say ama enkrofo hode patrol no omo disie
enkrofo beto obi mu kwan say assist obi starting last week.
Enti amama hu say nura binum ahase kasa wo ho kwan ebetimi afa so a yebe ende de ekoso no because enura G7 nations no nyina no omo finance ministers wo mu hia wo mu adwendwene fuel ne bo ekosoro ewo international market
no bi tie no onim G7 na G7 ne ye aman akese bese enso a omo na omo kase wiase empunu na epunu titi ba adwadie ni sikasem a aman kron bese enso omo asem na kwa me wo kan
omo ehia na omo nhia mu no omo adwendwen that is Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, United States and European Union na omo nhia mu no omo we price no said the nesiko Monday fuel yeto no crude no ankre baako ma menka ne sa ne tia se ne $120 Monday no ko $120 enura ekeka ko na etiko $110 enura the last time I check na ewo below $100
yeah
enti ewo hwa ekosoro
na aba
ewo hwa na sanso aba fam na baabi a wiase nyina nya ne oil free no the Strait of Hormuz na enura ye kan ho asem kire wo no
yeah
ewiase nyina 20% of oil ho na ye fa free na ho no mo close no se omo makwan emo bia emfa ho eno na ama sesei eho ne yede fango yi befa enti se yentimi mfemfa ho de a na ne ewiase nyina no fam go o se nkefa ho nyina block eno amete se Russia president Vladimir Putin se edru dia ono nso o the force bekwa ko bie because ono nso on crofo a o se o serve o mo on crofo a o se o ma o mo oil ni ade other countries no mu depend to say China ono be say 40% of oil or import into the country no when you free ho no onso ani abredin den say so omo anya de omo ye no na amfa sumdue ama na omo amie straight of almost na e de how kese pa na beba wiase enura after the finance ministers in meeting no but say ene empanyimfo no ankasa nso behia G7 members no leaders no omo ankasa ebehia yate say UK chancellor Rachel Reeves and omo eka ho no they will be meeting today to discuss a kwaya omo befa so a fuel price ekosoro no eno nso ebetimi abafem amano ayeye oba Ghana ha say ya OMCC no enso kasa yese na ashorte omo ekope kose wo kwa lefty oil na onko ne yesi bini ho etifitinura no na omo complaini na Matisa no pay the chief executive officer the chamber for oil marketing companies Obabontin e dia betu ja say na a technical challenge enti na ma omo enura omo call so omo kwa lift oil omo ko pe fuel aba omo call ye no omo anya bi no mete say na Goil for no more complaining Star Oil Ghana woman no more complaining say fuel shortage no aba because omo koso omo kwa woman say can be no omo say enterprise relations database management system technology issue ne bae enti technical issue ne bae ninti na microphone timi fa oil ni binti enye say ebi ade koso no na affect no na mom technical challenge bi wo mo hwe no mo resolve ebre o mugusu wo mo resolve no na ye pick report say binum so wo ho wo mo ahyase de fuel no wo mo di sie esan so wo mo nim say ye dan a ye koye anim no ne bo no ebetumi akosoro mahu say o say some OMCs accuse BDCs of creating artificial fuel shortage to cash in on March 16 price increases. Enti we OMCC binum ababe toja say omo ede fuel no esie because ya say free March 16th aircon fuel ne price ne be kosoro dia ene yemfensie say de be yeduru wa e beton no sa ebo no ena omo de sa warning no e de ma omo se omo nhwe na omo enya side because minimum say NPF adwuma they have the right to go and check say ampa say wo fuel wo ho ena nkrofo ba wo si uni fuel no omo ho kwan so omo bewura ho no omo be check say wo bi wo ho ana say uni bi wo ho wa hyeda na apese odi sie ti amra so obekwa akoto fuel na odi asie say o de twen bo intimidity say ho no omo be ye ho adwuma de amai na emom ye nyina say de mekan ya na say ni mako campaign asema mekan ye no about say the new supreme leader wayi no ewo Iran say Ayatollah Ali Khamenei ne ba na on asa yi no America for any Israel for say wo muntumi ne no nya adwuma wo mu be yi na firi ho Israel be kan so obi a obeyi no na wo mu gidi se emeboa wo mu na nipa no nso ba na de ne papa ye na no oba beto aso de a se nipa no wo mu beyi na firi ho ntentem so kura wo ma ne ntena se Donald Trump nso enra wakasa wo se nipa no ba beto de Ayatollah Ali Khamenei ne nkrofo ye no so a santokwa ye ye nwuni no besen ya babiem enti wo mo ntena won twen ma ne mabiem to mo be yi nipa na firi ho no mo de a prevente de besie emfie bi a edi ye nanim na o call on wiase nyina say fuel price a sha say ye den o so ba no US o say say ya gas ne bo say do msi tono na ekosoro sanso na fuel diesel ne petrol ni nyina abo no kosoro na o se ewiase ye ndio hardship na oni Israel for the amaye no because of ewiase asumdwie esan said the omo ye no omo anya nke wiase nya asumdwie enti prices of fuel ne ade ne economic hardship ne ade beba ni nyina no wiase nyina ye ndio because they save in future according to President Donald Trump the US president and ra
nsemo kokomu se we ne ya na me ya because sanko for ye hu so mudi ndi se chia omo so mudi omo kwato omo leaders nyina no sabi omo nyina ka oman we hu it they also potential future leaders it dachi bia no say empanyifo obodi omanim twa ntro akese sei can would this say actually Ghana for na so multi defend omo dey na say oman we in the future na very blurry. Me should be and no mama yam say me more.
Me pa cho attend the voter region wono o support the new patriotic party ideologies no kama pa na o share grounds voter region attend the voice there or nim grounds nim how for communicate the voter region into Ocean Yoma air cosu CCA, a DNA said the new patriotic party. Yebeya, yebetime, enya vote, kakra, a voter regime.
Meaning, I may hear CCA, they should empower the lives of the voice more. They should empower the lives of the voice of young people, not only the reason.
Nam more Kasa or Hono, ya mua no almost so my Seneca crack.
No one near NPP voter regime, yes, yeah. Senior. Because you say your opposition. Or more empower the voice more crampono. Sabi he is championing the race for some of us to follow. Or Juma. And the NDC they are having sleepless nights. Or my by now power when it comes to voter region NDC, they are having sleepless nights. Because Omo just said now Accra. And the the only thing we need is for them to empower the lives of the voice of MPP. No more championing race and follow. That's the only thing that he hears to see.
Okay, into the CI no idea we hear so mbe here man for more. Betimi aka sem no omate voice no nyoma NDC for kwan omde omafa so ene de bia ye to aba edema NDC from Fry Left Nigeria John Lawrence so say party ni ye ne dia no e pa no ye ma voter regime for ye we I think say the voice bebe what do want to see na the voice abem na great MPP inso atwa so aman.
Yeah, we mistake na be do who to be precise na be ka eyezua. I won't do fino afno crash here. Oh, asem no kwapa na me ka chon. We mistake be ka eyezua. Ubenya abanyama ne. This should tell you that gradually the people are learning. Ghana for you. And you see one thing that ends for now is Gen Z we know, Gen Z for we know. This is the first time they are experiencing the John Dramani Mahama governance. They are taking good notice and good records of the evil plots I hear John Dramani and the menu comedy Ghana for from. And one thing I can say for sure, and I'm so much optimistic about, and they say John Dramani Mahama is going to pay for it because the people are going to rebel. It's the MPP in Pennyfonde. When it comes to voter region politics, you're wearing the voice of NPP. They should just resources. Because he will lead and we will follow. Already no resources in my call.
I think say voter region the nipa me huno social media the voice Juma and mayor senior ononso boy Juma Juma ono mayor senior youth organizer the voter region ono Juma odia it defended the new patriotic party Emaya Yamwa woman near so much na Juma Omudi no teach the voice because obeto data or kosuku to any fees. Say Yabesre and paying for no na more woman at least na omutimi enye adwuma mfa hopa akomapa ene opepa enye adwuma nti Mr. man mawanu si na is it na